In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell on TikTok Shop with Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin so you are looking at your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see your sidebar with all of your channels and settings. Find the TikTok sales channel and click it. This is the area where Shopify connects your store catalog to TikTok, so the products you choose here can be made available to sell through TikTok Shop. Once you are inside the TikTok sales channel, look for the section that handles your items. Depending on your setup and what version of the channel you are seeing, you will either go to Product Gallery or to Manage Products. Both options lead you to the same goal, choosing which Shopify products you want to sync over to TikTok. After you open Product Gallery or Manage Products, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct store and product list. If your catalog is large, it helps to already know which items you plan to sell on TikTok so you can move quickly and avoid syncing products you do not want to promote there. Next, click Add Products. This is the button that starts the syncing process. When you select it, you will be able to choose exactly what you want to send to TikTok. You can pick individual items, which is ideal if you are starting with a small set of bestsellers, or you can select entire collections if you already have a group of products that are ready for TikTok as a category. Now select the specific items or collections you want to sync. As you choose them, focus on products that are prepared to sell, clear titles, accurate descriptions, and correct pricing in Shopify. This reduces the chance of delays later and keeps your TikTok shop looking consistent and professional. When you are satisfied with your selection, click Add. That confirms your choices and begins syncing the products from Shopify into the TikTok sales channel. Give it a moment to complete, especially if you are adding multiple products at once. Once the products are added, you are set with the core setup for selling through TikTok Shop using Shopify. That covers everything you need to know.